RUP. Karen Huger, guilty on DUI charges, faces prison time. The Real Housewives of Potomac star Karen Huger was recently found guilty of DUI following a Maryland car crash back in March. Both witnesses and body camera footage gave an insight into the incident. The star now faces time in prison. The incident took place back in March in Potomac, Maryland. Huger has been part of the Real Housewives of Potomac since it began in 2016. In 2022, she was also the subject of a two-part special, Karen's Grande Dame Reunion. Back in March, Huger was the subject of a car crash in Potomac, Maryland. Allegedly, Huger drove her Maserati into a pole near Oakland Drive. This past Wednesday, as noted by Fox 5, Huger was found guilty of 5 DUI and DWI charges over the incident. There had also been a 6th charge of reckless driving. However, it was ultimately dismissed. Witnesses on behalf of both prosecutors and the defense, as well as body camera footage, helped to paint a picture of the incident. For Huger's defense, 2 witnesses, including Huger's cousin, claimed that the star was emotionally distressed. However, it was claimed she did not seem impaired during a phone call taking place before the crash. Huger's attorneys also hoped to get the case dismissed, saying that evidence was obtained through illegal efforts. However, the motion was denied. Karen Huger's attorney also released a statement over the news. The prosecutors, however, argued that other witnesses and footage showed that Huger was intoxicated. According to the footage, Huger appeared to slur her speech, refuse a sobriety test, and curse at officers. Reportedly, an emergency medical technician also similarly claimed that Huger refused treatment and insulted the first responders on the scene. At this time, the star could face a maximum of 2 years in prison. Her sentencing is expected to take place on January 29, 2025. As Fox 5 noted, the case has drawn significant attention, with fans and critics of the reality TV star closely watching the proceedings. In a statement with People, Huger's attorney, A. Scott Bolden, released the following statement. Although we are disappointed in the jury's verdict, we of course respect their decision and appreciate their time hearing our case. The statement continued. We continue to reserve Mrs. Huger's right to an appeal and intend to fully pursue justice on her behalf. We appreciate your support and prayers for Mrs. Huger and her family at this time. The publication also noted that Huger's arrest served as a central storyline on the 9th season of The Real Housewives of Potomac.